Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix PC or laptop monitor turns off after a few minutes randomly. First method is check monitor to PC cable connection. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings. Change Turn off the display to never. Also put the computer to sleep to never. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is open any browser. Type display manufacturer name and driver. Click Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.